Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing another Influenster VoxBox. This is the second one that I received this week. I mean, not this week, it was like 2 weeks ago. I received 2 VoxBoxes the same day. Anyways, the box looks pretty dirty and disgusting, so I can't really take a good picture with this for my thumbnail. But anyways, if you guys don't know what Influenster is, it is a company that sends out free products. It's completely free to sign up, and I will have them linked down below. Anyways, they sent me this VoxBox. I forgot what it's called. It's probably like Love, Beauty and Planet VoxBox or something, or Hair Care VoxBox. I'm excited to see what they sent me. I just knew they were going to send me something from this brand, from Love, Beauty and Planet, but I'm not sure what they were gonna send me, like what product. Ta-da! Okay, so cool. They sent me, it looks like shampoo and conditioner or something. So as usual, it comes with a card, and this is the Love, Beauty and Planet VoxBox. And it just tells me how to review the products. Yeah, it looks like they sent me a hair care collection. Does my hair look that bad? Just kidding, I know it does. That's embarrassing. This is like the 3rd hair care collection they sent me, and like in less than 2 months. Okay, so anyways, the first product that they sent me, it is this one right here, and they wrapped it in this plastic. So let's open it up. Cool. It did not spill. So this is the Love, Beauty and Planet Hydrating Dream Waters Scalp Nourishing Water to Foam Lather Micellar Shampoo for straight hair, volume and strengthen, melon water and hyaluronic serum. So this is really interesting. I have never tried a shampoo that looks like this. Like, it's all watery, but it's interesting. It says that it turns into foam once you add water to it and lather it on your hair. So that's really cool. I'm really excited to try this out. Beauty Straight Up Hydrate. This sulfate-free micellar shampoo infused with melon water and hyaluronic serum balances your scalp and washes away impurities without stripping. Enjoy the aroma of sparkling bergamot as the refreshing water sensation transforms into a delicate lather for voluminous, strong hair. I'm going to be using this today, so we will see if it actually works. Okay, and the other product that they sent me, it is this conditioner right here. It is a Hydrating Dream Waters Weightless Hydration Conditioner for straight hair, volume and strength, and it's also melon water and hyaluronic serum. And it says the same thing as the shampoo, and it just says, after shampooing, spread through your gorgeous wet locks and rinse. Go easy on the top. Let me open these up and smell them, see if they smell good. I'm going to start off with the shampoo. It smells good. Kind of smells like mango and something else. Maybe it's mixed with watermelon, but it smells really good and refreshing. Okay, anyways, let me smell that conditioner now. Oh, I like that they filled it up all the way to the top. This one smells good, but it's not as strong as a shampoo. But anyways, I'm excited to use this, and we will see the results. Hopefully my hair looks nice and voluminous and hydrated. So thank you so much to Influenster for sending me this VoxBox. I know my hair looks a little dry and dead, and maybe that's why you're sending me all these shampoos. But anyways, that is everything that I got from Influencer in this VoxBox, and I'm excited to try everything out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys also got this VoxBox, the Love, Beauty and Planet VoxBox. Anyways, that is all for today. Make sure to check out my description box. I will have Influencer linked down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.